I've been sitting here thinking about all the things you do for me, how you make me feel. Been wondering if it's the same for you, but when you're not around, I lose my mind, 'cause you keep it like a secret. Why won't you reveal it? Just please tell me that you feel it too. Tell me we're in this for two. Tell me that you really care for me. I really believe it's safe to say that I'm half without you. We're just meant to be. I hope you're feeling the same way too, 'cause every moment you're near, it's far too clear that you took my heart for keeping, and it won't stop beating. Why won't you tell me that you feel it too? Tell me we're in this for two. Tell me that you really care for me. Share my love. I just want you to know it's alright if I know, but if we stick together, nothing can go wrong. So if I made this far,